Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a bad green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's drag our video into the timeline. Here, you can see that I have a video with a really bad green screen. Fixing a terrible green screen in any video editing software seems pretty much impossible, but what if I told you it's actually possible in Premiere? First, expand Lumetri Color, then HSL Secondary. This effect allows us to change the settings of a single color. Now, increase the overall correction bar to the top so you clearly know which color you have selected. Now, drag this plus sign onto the green because this will also allow you to monitor your progress thanks to this setting. Next, select the first eyedropper icon and choose the green that's mostly visible. After that, click the eyedropper with the plus sign and keep selecting different shades of green from your clip. Once that's done, I recommend increasing the blur to around 1.5. Next, turn the tint all the way down to -100. Push the contrast up to 100 and increase the saturation all the way up to 200. Under the Correction tab, you'll see a small dot, and next to it there will be 3 dots placed together. Click on that. Here, I find that increasing the midtones along with the shadows and slightly decreasing the highlights works best for me. I also advise you to focus on the clip and look for any weirdly pixelated areas. If you notice any, you can just select the zone with the plus eyedropper. In my case, it looks perfect, but if you want to achieve a perfect chroma key, or if it still doesn't look good, you can repeat this process multiple times using the effect until the green color is completely even. To do that, go to Effects and look for the Lumetri Color effect. If I add the effect to the clip and then go to the Effect Controls, you can see that you can repeat the process here again to get a perfect result. In my case, I don't need it, so I'll undo it. Now let's bring the original clip side by side and compare both the before and after effect. Here, you can see that the bad green screen in the video has turned into a smooth screen. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.